When it comes to maintaining the beauty, energy efficiency, and functionality of your home, windows play a crucial role. If your windows are outdated, damaged, or no longer serving your needs, it may be time to consider a residential window replacement. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about window replacement in Bluffdale, helping you make informed decisions to enhance your home's value and comfort. Why replace your windows? Window replacement is an investment that offers multiple benefits for homeowners in Bluffdale. Here are the top reasons to consider replacing your residential windows. Improved energy efficiency. The outdated windows often allow drafts, leading to higher energy bills. Modern replacement windows feature advanced insulation and energy-saving technologies that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduce utility costs. Enhanced curb appeal. New windows can dramatically improve the appearance of your home, giving it a fresh, modern look. With customizable designs, colors, and materials, replacement windows can perfectly complement your home's aesthetic. Increased property value. High-quality window replacement is a valuable upgrade that boosts your home's market appeal. Prospective buyers often prioritize homes with modern, energy-efficient windows, making this upgrade a smart investment. Better functionality. Over time, windows can become difficult to open, close, or lock. Replacement windows restore functionality, ensuring your home is safe and easy to ventilate. Noise reduction. For homes in busy neighborhoods or near main roads, modern windows offer enhanced soundproofing, creating a quieter indoor environment. Signs it's time for replacement. Knowing when to replace your windows is essential for maximizing the benefits of this upgrade. Here are some common signs that it's time to consider window replacement. Drafts or air leaks. Feel cold air coming through your windows during winter. This is a clear indicator that your windows are no longer energy efficient. Condensation or fogging. Moisture trapped between panes often signals seal failure, reducing insulation and clarity. Visible damage. Cracked glass, warped frames, or peeling paint are not only unsightly but can also compromise performance. Difficulty operating windows. Windows that stick or won't stay open are a hassle and potential safety hazard. Rising energy bills. If your energy costs have increased without explanation, old windows could be to blame. Choosing the right replacement window. Selecting the right windows for your Bluffdale home is crucial to ensuring long-term satisfaction. Consider these factors. Material options. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, vinyl windows are a popular choice for Bluffdale homeowners. Wood. Provides a classic look and excellent insulation but requires regular maintenance. Fiberglass. Durable and highly energy efficient, fiberglass windows withstand Bluffdale's varying climate. Style choices. Choose a window style that matches your home's architecture and your functional needs. Double-hung windows. Easy to clean and operate, perfect for traditional homes. Casement windows. Hinged at the side for maximum ventilation and modern appeal. Sliding windows. Ideal for wide spaces, offering a sleek and simple design. Bay and bow windows. Add a touch of elegance while increasing natural light. Energy efficiency ratings. Look for Energy Star rated windows to ensure maximum energy savings. Features like low E coatings, argon gas fills, and multi-pane glass improve insulation and performance. Customization options. From frame colors to hardware finishes, customizing your windows allows you to achieve a look that complements your home's design. The window replacement process. Working with a professional window replacement company in Bluffdale ensures a seamless process from start to finish. Here's what to expect. Initial consultation. A window expert will assess your home, discuss your needs, and provide recommendations tailored to your style and budget. Measurement and ordering. Accurate measurements are taken to ensure a precise fit. Custom windows are then manufactured based on your specifications. Old window removal. Professionals carefully remove your old windows, ensuring minimal disruption to your home. Installation. New windows are expertly installed, complete with proper sealing to prevent drafts and moisture. Final inspection. The installation team ensures everything is working perfectly and cleans up the workspace, leaving your home looking great. Benefits of hiring local professionals in Bluffdale. Choosing a local company for your residential window replacement offers unique advantages. Familiarity with Bluffdale's climate. Local professionals understand the specific challenges of Bluffdale's weather and can recommend windows that perform well in all seasons. Personalized service. Local businesses prioritize customer satisfaction, offering tailored solutions and attentive care. Faster response times. Proximity means quicker consultations, installations, and follow-ups. Conclusion. Residential window replacement is a valuable investment that enhances the comfort, efficiency, and beauty of your Bluffdale home. By understanding the benefits, identifying signs of wear, and selecting the right windows and professionals, you can enjoy a stress-free upgrade that transforms your living space. Contact a trusted window replacement company in Bluffdale today to get started on your journey to a brighter, more energy-efficient home.